Basically, we cannot avoid aging. As we age, our body appearance will undergo changes, including gray hair and sagging skin. Although aging cannot be avoided, the aging process can actually be slowed down, one of which is by applying healthy eating tips. Here are 5 healthy eating tips to slow down aging. 1. Eat more fish. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can protect us from disease, including overcoming heart problems, even depression. By consuming more fish in our diet, we will get various health benefits, especially when the body starts to age. 2. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Some vegetables and fruits that can help slow aging include berries, red bell peppers, lime leaves, and carrots. These foods are rich in antioxidants and fiber that are useful for fighting the negative effects of aging. 3. Hydrates the body. In addition to consuming more vegetables and fruit, we are also advised to drink enough water to keep the body hydrated, because it is very important to slow down the aging process. In addition to drinking water, there are also other alternatives to hydrate the body, namely consuming watermelon, cucumber, strawberry, and tomato. These foods contain lots of water, which can help increase hydration and increase antioxidants. 4. Replace meat with vegetable protein. Foods that contain plant-based proteins such as nuts and legumes can slow down aging. In addition, by consuming more plant-based protein, we get a number of health benefits, from lowering cholesterol levels to lowering blood sugar levels. 5. Limit junk food. Eating too much junk food can cause health problems, even though junk food is a cheap, easy, and fast food alternative. However, these foods should be limited in their consumption.